Alright, welcome back to my channel. It is a lovely, warm, sunny day down here in Cornwall. Just out for a ride, and I thought I'd actually show you the R1 now, which is pretty much finished. As you can see, she is a clean bike. 2005 5VY. To be fair, there's not really a lot more that I can do to her. I'll run you down some of the things that I have actually done. So, brake wise, I've upgraded the rotors to Brembo Oreos, Brembo pads. Absolutely awesome stopping power. Got a wavy rear disc on the back. Engine wise, K&M filter. I've done the exhausts, so we have Pipeworks cans, link pipe, but still left the cat in. I've got a 16 front sprocket and a 47 super sprockets rear, which obviously will give you more torque, but you lose top ends. But she is so much fun. Styling wise, I've got carbon fibre swing arm protectors, got carbon dipped hugger, and I've got carbon infill panels there, and there. We have short stubby adjustable levers, preload adjusters, which is quite handy, a carbon rear cowling, carbon swing arm protector for this side. We've got R&G crash bungs both sides all round. What else? Obviously tank grips and things like that. Electrical wise, right, we have a Hilltech X-Type G2 gear shifter, which is really good. I've got a Hilltech Speedo healer built in. Obviously when you mess with your gearing, it messes with your speedo, so that's all dialed in to the correct speed with a GPS on my phone. I also have a Hilltech Brake Light Pro, which is probably about £35, but absolutely wicked. You can set it to have different sequences on your rear brake lights. So if I show you, that's that right there, yeah, okay, flashing. There's 13 different sequences you can have on it. I've gone flashing mode. You can also have engine braking mode. You can put it back to standard. Yeah, 13 different settings on it. As you can see, for a 19-year-old bike, it's stunning, and I love every single thing about it. Hasn't let me down all summer. Actually, hasn't let me down, touch wood, since I bought it. I didn't buy it like this. Obviously, I've spent a bit of money on it. Probably the next step will be maybe a D-Cat and Power Commander for next year. Not now, it's too late in the summer. Let's start her up. Oh yeah, another thing I was going to say. I've put a Noco lithium battery in there, which is amazing for starting power. Absolutely brilliant battery. See more of the R1 and trips out stuff, please like and subscribe, and please share my videos. I'm new to YouTube, so yeah, you have to bear with me, but I'm getting there. But yeah, thanks for watching.